And the Gulf Coast is no stranger to very strong hurricanes, but the people I spoke with yesterday tell me Ida, it was the worst. Here in New Orleans, power was lost a month ago when Ida hit. Today, the power is restored. But yesterday, we went about 20 miles south of New Orleans, and what we found was Lafitte. It's a small community in the Jefferson Parish. And while the damage is extensive, this city knows rebuilding is just something that will happen.
Hurricane Katrina wasn't quite this bad. It was bad, but it wasn't like this.
Hurricane Ida is long gone, but the devastation and the cleanup remains an ongoing reality 4 weeks later.
Just devastation. My heart just sunk to my, and it's just like my throat and my eyes teared up, and I just had that big lump in my throat.
One of the hardest hit towns on the Gulf Coast, tiny Lafitte, Louisiana. Population 816. Longtime resident Carol Perkins says she's been through hurricanes before, but Ida is the worst.
I just knew when I come back, they was going to have either my house was going to be down or it was going to have mud in it.
Ida flooded out homes and businesses, but the storm didn't dampen the spirit of those in Lafitte. After all, this is the Bayou, a place accustomed to hurricanes and a place that knows how to build back.
You can't knock the Bayou people down. They come back up. They're resilient.
It's not even the American way here, it's the Lafitte way. If you've ever watched a community come together, it's this community. They come together bigger, faster, than anybody I've ever seen.
They are extremely resilient down on the bayou. It is something that we saw in full force. But I do want to mention, Adrienne, as we started to make that road, that trip down to Lafitte, Louisiana, to 2-lane road, and it took our breath away. My photographer and I were sitting in the car silent as we saw the damage that is still there. But going back to that hope, it's something that also is there in full force.